How to show or hide the language switch key in Gboard and Google Keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on Gboard. And after click on Gboard, click on Preference. After click on Preference. So if you want to show and hide the language switch key in Gboard and keyboard, so you will see language switch key is here. If you want to show language switch key, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see language switch key is show. If you want to hide language switch key, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see language switch key is hide. So you will show and hide language switch key from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide language switch key in Gboard and keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.